Assalamu alaikum beautiful people, how are you all? I hope you're fine and doing good. So today we are gonna make chicken malai boti cheese pockets. So this is really crispy and yummy in taste. I'm gonna share this recipe with you. So first of all, take a bowl, add the chicken in here, around 300 grams of chicken, and the ginger garlic paste, 1, 2 and 3 tablespoons. That's enough. Now we will add the yogurt here. It's around 2.5 grams of yogurt. Salt to taste or salt, 1.5 teaspoon. Now we are gonna add here 1 packet of cream. I'm adding here milk pack cream. You can add any one, any brand. Just add 1 whole packet here. So after adding the cream here, we're gonna add here the black pepper powder. It's around 2 tablespoons of black pepper powder. Now I'm gonna mix it well. Each and everything should be really mixed. That should be mixed very well, so that will give you the complete yummy taste, full creamy taste. Mix it properly. So our whole chicken is now marinated. We will marinate it for like 6 to 7 hours at least, or for whole night. Then we will cook it on a medium flame. So after marination for whole night, I'm gonna cook it. Our oil is in a pot. Oil is hot. I'm gonna add the chicken here. So now I'm going to cover it and cook it for like half an hour, or it will take like 45 minutes. Hardly it will take 45 minutes. We have to cook it till it gets tender. So after half an hour, it's tender now. Now we have to just cook it on a high flame till the oil gets separate. And there shouldn't be any water. So as you can see, there is no more water here. Now it's done. Now we have to just give it a smoke here. Our coal is ready. So now we have to give it a smoke here. Leave it for 5 minutes. So after giving it a smoke, I'm gonna add some mayonnaise here. It's around 200 grams. We're gonna add here. Now mix it. So now it's mixed very well, you can see. So now we have to just start the filling and make the cheese boxes. So firstly, what we have to do is just put a strip here, and we have to stick it from between here at a square shape. After applying it, put another strip in the middle of it, just middle. Now we have to do is the filling, the chicken here. We have to put the chicken here, medium amount of chicken here. That's it. Place it gently. Now here I'm having some cheese, and we are gonna add some mozzarella cheese here. That's on your choice. You can add cheddar cheese or any other cheese. I'm adding here mozzarella cheese. So after adding here, take one side and cover it like this. Press it gently. Now the other side, that should be that one. Now the other side. All the sides are done. One side is remaining now. So now our square or patty or box is ready. Our chicken Malai Boti cheese box is ready, but we have to coat it. Here I'm taking some corn flour plus water. Just dip in it, coat it. The breadcrumbs, we have to apply the breadcrumbs on it for making it more crispy. You can recoat it. Just repeat the process and you will get your pockets more crispy. Make sure the breadcrumbs should be stick from each other, from every side, every corner. That should be covered. So our pocket is ready. We can just now fry it on a medium flame. Now we are done. Here we have made 16 to 17 chicken Malai Boti cheese pockets. So now we have to just fry it. Oil is enough hot. I'm gonna fry this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So it's now after frying it. You can see the texture of it. This is really so crispy, so crunchy, and it's really so yummy in taste. So let's cut it. This is really so creamy, cheesy, and so saucy from inside. You can see that. I hope you guys liked watching this video. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much for watching my whole video. Please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.